Anxiety feels as though you're being thrown in a maze, alone, with no escape. It's pretty ironic. I seem to be better on my own, but I don't actually want to be alone. I feel alone, but I also find myself constantly withdrawing from social interactions. It's a vicious cycle, a self-sustaining system to, I don't know, fuel my loneliness. I feel alone. I try to meet friends. I end up not meeting, and I feel alone again. It repeats again and again and again. I'm tired of this. I thought things would somehow be different after I move into a new environment. But it isn't. It's just been the same no matter where I go. I'm really, really, really tired of this.
Have you guys done your Joe quiz?
Oh, not yet. I looked through the quiz but haven't submitted yet. Yeah.
There's some questions like I don't know the answers to.
I think like my friend sent me like some answers for that. I can maybe forward it to you. Yeah.
Sure, thanks. We'll discuss it
Thank
later.
you.
Yeah.
Hey, aren't you Marcus? Aren't we from the same OG? Do you want to come over and study with us now?
I'm not Marcus.
Maybe I got the wrong guy.
Why is this happening to me? Xiang? Looks familiar. Oh, we're from the same class. I haven't seen him in such a long time. Oh right, he was in the lounge that day. Should I go?
So I'm from accountancy.
Accountancy.
So,
business
yeah.
administration.
Yeah.
BBA.
Yeah. What about you?
BBA.
BBA also?
But just normal BBA.
Oh,
What about you, Marcus? Marcus?
Huh?
What's your major?
Sorry, I need to go toilet.
yeah, I'll go chat with him right now. You guys continue eating, okay?
I'm still stuck in the maze. But having a friend is like being given a map. The map towards the exit. I still have to do the work myself, but the map certainly helps.
Hey, Marcus, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Did my friends bother you in any way?
No, it's not that. It's just I get a bit anxious in front of like new people.
Oh, I see. Just like how you were during our JC orientation?
Okay, wait, how do you?
Oh, you see, when I first saw you in the lounge the other day, I immediately recognized you. Remember when you were so scared to even say out your name in front of the entire class? But hey, look how far you've come. I'm sure you made many close friends in JC. And I know that took a lot of courage and effort on your part.
As in, I'm grateful for that, but like, I don't know whether they see it as well. And not everybody has to try as hard as I did, you know.
Look, they will appreciate your efforts. And I know for a fact that my friends certainly do so as well. And I know the people here in RC4 are very welcoming to you.
You really think so?
Give yourself credit, man. I understand that this is something you have to struggle with. But I believe that you are strong enough to overcome this. You did it last time, you can do it again.
You know what? I think you make a really good motivational speaker. But thanks, Hong Xiang. I really mean it.
No problem.
Shall we go back?
You sure? You can take all the time that you need.
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go.